Today, let's crochet smiling face flower pendant. The crocheting method is very simple, suitable for novice learning with zero foundation. The overall color matching of flowers adopts contrast elements. Let's crochet together. We use the circular stitch starting method. First, wrap 2 rings around your fingers. The gesture of the left hand first goes around the little finger. Then bypass the index finger. Hold the needle lifting ring with your thumb and middle finger. Then the crochet goes into the needle ring. Bring out a coil. And then another stitch, so we can fix the needle lifting ring. Next, crochet the first circle. We crochet 6 SCS in the loop. Hook method of South Carolina from the needle lifting ring. In and out of a coil. Then the crochet is wound. Pull through the 2 loops on the crochet at one time. This is in South Carolina. You can see that each hook has a South Carolina. A little braid will be formed at the top. We use a marker buckle. Mark him. This is the first stitch of our first lap. Next, continue to crochet 5 SCS in the lifting loop. Let's count. Plus the first stitch, there are 6 South Carolina. Next, stretch the coil. We can see 2 line segments at the opening. And a thread. Let's pull the thread inside to the right and pull it to the tightest point. And then pull the outer segment. After tightening, we can see that the needle ring shrinks. Put the crochet back into the needle lifting ring. And the first stitch, that is, the mark buckle. Crochet SS. Hook method of SS into the needle eye. Bring out a coil. Directly. The front coil is pulled into the rear coil. This is an SS. The end of each lap. Need to crochet an SS connection. And then we knit a turning chains. Let's start the second loop. In the second round, we are in each needle. Add 1 needle each. In every hole. We all have to crochet 2 SCS. After the first stitch is finished, let's mark it with a marking button. In the second circle, 1 needle was added to each of the 6 needle heads. After crocheting, we knit an SS with the first stitch end. Crochet turning chains. Let's start the third loop. On the third lap, we followed the pattern. Add a stitch to remove the hook. Hook a South Carolina in the first stitch. Add a needle to the second needle. One South Carolina in the third needle. Add a needle to the fourth needle. So we formed a gap. Effective adding 1 stitch. We knit the third loop according to this rule. After the third circle is finished with 1 stitch every other and 1 stitch, we knit an SS with the first stitch. Then hook a turning chains. We begin to crochet the fourth circle. In the fourth circle, our needle adding rule is based on: remove the hook every 2 stitches plus 1. Hook a South Carolina in the first stitch. 1 South Carolina in the second needle. In the third needle eye. Stitch 1 South Carolina. 1 South Carolina in the fourth heading. 1 South Carolina in the fifth heading. Addition of 1 South Carolina needle in the 6th needle mesh. So we have 2 stitches in 1. Effective adding 1 stitch after 2 stitches. Next, continue to crochet according to the law. After the fourth loop of crocheting, we knit an SS with the first stitch. Then hook a turning chains. Let's start the 5th loop. In the 5th lap, we followed the rule of 3 stitches plus 1. Go to the first needle. Crochet, and South Carolina. 1 South Carolina in the second needle. 1 South Carolina in the third needle. In the fourth needle. 1 needle. 1 South Carolina in the 5th heading, 1 South Carolina in the 6th heading, 1 South Carolina in the 7th heading, 1 additional needle in the 8th needle mesh. So we have 3 stitches plus 1. Effective 3 stitches plus 1 stitch. Next, knit the circle according to the rules. After the 5th loop of crocheting, crochet an SS with the 1st stitch. Then hook a turning chains. We cut the thread. Hide the thread with a crochet. Follow the same method to 2 pieces in total. Put them together. Take out the blue thread to crochet the petals. First, tie a loose knot. The crochet is inserted at any position. Insert 2 pieces together. Put the blue line. Pull it over. Then continue to crochet 12 ch. 1, 2, 3. $45. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. After 12 ch hooks are knitted. Let's skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 5 stitches. Come to the 6th needle. Front and rear crocheting. Crochet SS. Then continue to crochet 12 ch. Next, skip 5 needle holes and do not tick 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come to the 6th needle. The front and back pieces pass through together. Crochet SS. Next we repeat the crocheting. A total of 5 petals are crocheted. After weaving the last 12 ch hooks, we come to the position of the 1st stitch. Crochet SS. Another turning chains. Then cut the thread. So we have purchased the petals. We found a beautiful petal. Hand stitching. Make a transition like this. Transition the line to the center of the petal. After transition to the center position, the crochet is inserted through the center of a flower. Bring in the blue line. Crochet 50 ch. After weaving 50 ch hooks, we pull it in the starting position. Then hook a turning chains. Cut the thread end pulling out, so we can hook and knit the part of the lanyard. If the part of the lanyard likes to be short a little, we can knit a few ch less. Next, let's make the expression of the little flower. such a lovely flower pendant. We'll finish the crocheting.